Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist Sean Patrick with your most accurate forecast. This chilly stretch of weather continuing into your Sunday. Bottomed out at around 35 degrees right there at Phoenix Sky Harbor this morning. 57 our top temperature, and this chilly air isn't going anywhere anytime soon. We do have an air quality warning in effect for the valleys. We headed into New Year's Eve day. Lasts right on through about 9 p.m. on Monday. That's for that fireplace and that firework smoke. Could be lingering around through the day and evening tomorrow. Here comes our next cold front. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings also posted for the high country as we head into tomorrow. That storm system will be making its way into northern Arizona as soon as about 9-10 o'clock Monday morning. That's when we can start to see the snow fly in the Flagstaff area. Then the system will drop down the rim over into the White Mountains. As we head into the afternoon and evening hours, we'll have a chance for some scattered valley showers through the day tomorrow as well. Looks like this won't clear out of the state until we head into Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. We can still see some snow flurries over in eastern Arizona through the day on Tuesday. And we're looking at some pretty significant snowfall totals with this one. Flagstaff anywhere from about 3 to 5 inches, even Sedona about 1 to 3 inches of snow possible there. I still think the heaviest snow will be down the eastern rim and over into the White Mountains. Show Low, maybe about 4 to 8 inches of snow, and some of those highest mountain peaks could actually be picking up well over a foot with this one, hence those winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. So for us here in the valley, scattered showers possible, say from about noon to 6 tomorrow evening. That's our best bet. Most of our models right now bringing in between about 1/10 and 1/4 inch of rainfall for us. So about a 50% chance of showers through about 6 p.m. Then those rain chances start to drop off. But either way, as you're heading on out to celebrate New Year's Eve, Monday night, make sure you bring the umbrella and bring the jacket because it will be cold by the time we're ringing in 2019. Temperatures in the valley will be down into the upper 30s and low 40s. So it's just going to be downright cold across northern Arizona, bitterly cold. 15 in Flagstaff early Monday morning, 18 in Heber and Show Low. Daytime highs for much of northern Arizona aren't even going to get out of the 20s on New Year's Eve. 26 for a high in Flagstaff on Monday, 29 in Heber. You'll be below freezing at around 31 in Show Low. So bringing things into the valley here, our temperature staying well below average by about 10 degrees again tomorrow. 34 is what you'll wake up to in Levine, 35 in Glendale, 35 also in Chandler and Gilbert. So those temperatures a few degrees above the freezing mark for most valley spots, but some areas in the outlying areas around town like Maricopa and Buckeye will be down into the upper 20s and low 30s again. Daytime highs tomorrow around 54 in Ahwatukee, Tempe, 55 for you in Glendale, and we'll bring in that 7-day forecast for you. There's that 50% chance of showers tomorrow. We clear out on New Year's Day, and it is just going to be a cool, raw start to 2019. 52 for a daytime high on Tuesday. Early Wednesday morning, we could be flirting with freezes once again here in the valley, so be prepared for that. And we will start to warm up as we head into next weekend. Mid-60s finally by Friday, Saturday. Another chance of rain next Sunday.